Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make mini pineapple pastries and I'm sure you're going to love it, and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are: you need 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of yogurt, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and 100 ml of milk at room temperature. For the decoration and icing, I'm using this Cool Whip, some pineapple juice, pineapple chunks, and some cherries. Now let's get started with the process. So we need to make a sponge cake. I'm making an eggless sponge cake. The first thing that we add is the butter, then the yogurt and the sugar, and then you mix it all well. Now goes in the maida, the baking powder and the baking soda, and you just sieve it. And you also add the milk and mix it all together. We mix it well to make a smooth paste or a batter. Then you transfer it. I put the cake mix in this butter paper coated baking dish, and I'm going to preheat the oven for about 10 minutes and keep it in the oven. So now I'm going to put it in. So our cake has been baking for about 45 minutes, and I just insert a stick and it comes out clean. So I'm just gonna take it out. So here's the cake that we just took it out of the oven, and I'm slowly going to take this out. And I see this wax paper, and it's really warm. So I take this wax paper out slowly. So our sponge cake is now ready, and let it cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to make small circles from this because it's a mini pineapple pastry. Cake is really soft, and now with this I am going to make small mini size shapes. The cake is really soft, and just place it like this. I've cut the sponge cake into small circles, and now I'm going to do some icing over it. I have this Cool Whip, or you can make the whipping cream at home with heavy cream and sugar. So I'm using this, and here I have the pineapple juice. It's a pineapple pastry, so I just pour in some pineapple juice over each of these. So after we put in the pineapple juice, I can just do this, and then I can also make it flat by using this spatula. The cake is really soft and juicy, and then I'm going to decorate it with a piece of cherry and our chopped pineapple. So I'm just going to make mini pastries out of these the same way. Our moist and juicy mini pineapple pastries are now ready, and you can see they're really soft and they look so attractive. So our cocktail size mini pineapple pastries are perfect to entertain your family and friends. And if you like my recipe, do share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. Thanks for watching my video. Till next time, bye bye.